Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. This video today is a follow-up from the one that I did on Thursday. On that one, I asked if anybody knew anything more about the scheme. You could leave it in the comments, and a couple of viewers have. So I'd like to thank Tony and Hamish for their comments, and I'm going to run through what they've pointed out in this video today. This is a shot from the video that I filmed between Christmas and New Year, and at that stage it looked like the tarmacking on the bridge was completely done. And this is from Thursday's video where the tarmac has been covered in another material. And Tony's explained in his comment that the tarmac and the material on the bridge is for the protection of the waterproof membrane. Now remember back from a few videos ago, that's the blue material that the bridge deck was covered in when it looked to be a little bit like a swimming pool. Another thing Tony spotted was the eye containment curbs have been installed on the Edgeley Park side of the bridge. And I've pointed those out with the green arrow here. Now I'm going to take this shot from the first video I filmed at Greek Street, obviously when the roundabout was still open. And you can see there the railings are set on quite a high curb. That's the high containment curb. So it's looking like on the new setup that's going to be replaced like for like. Tony spotted this also. It's the outline of the pedestrian island that's going to be replaced. See it on the middle left of the picture. It's just marked out with white paint in a triangular shape. Using this still from March's video, you can see where the pedestrian island was originally. So again, it's looking like it's just going to be a like-for-like replacement on that. There's been some debate about this trench on the Edgeley side of the bridge outside the HUK building, but Tony's cleared up a couple of bits with that. I'm going to put in a still from March's video. You can see there was a grid in the centre of the roundabout next to that Mercedes. And this is what I'm thinking is this square section here, what looks like a chimney. So again, like for like replacement. Finally from Tony, he spotted this concrete block, which is just in the middle of the bridge deck, but it is going to be in the middle of the roundabout. It's got a hole in the top of it, thinking it's for a street light. Looking back on the older pictures, there was a CCTV camera in the centre of the roundabout. Could be for that? Guessing so. On Thursday's video, I was unsure about what this truck was for or what it was doing, but shout out to Hamish who has given some background on that. In short, it's a massive vacuum cleaner. It's a VacX. It's used when there's utilities around, so it's much safer to dig down where those are using the vacuum, and it avoids any strikes by excavator buckets, any sparks, or anything like that. So it's looking like it's going to be a like-for-like replacement, so let's finish it with what it looked like back in March. Thanks again to Tony and Hamish for that, and thank you all for watching my videos. I really do appreciate everybody who comments, everybody who likes, hypes, and subscribes. It really is nice to know that my little hobby resonates with a lot of people, so thank you all very much for that one. Obviously, I'll keep an eye on the project. If you haven't seen all the playlists, do have a quick look back at that, see how things have changed, and hopefully we'll be driving around it again soon. Thanks for supporting the channel again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, everyone.